How to fix the EA College Football 25 team builder logo not loading. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You may have some of the potential solutions, however, it does not guarantee to fix the issue because currently it is a widespread issue. Many players have reported this problem. While there is no definite solution, here are some of the troubleshoots you can try. To get started with, check the internet connection. Make sure you have a stable one. Secondly, check the logo file format and size. Verify that your logo is in a supported format such as PNG, JPG, or GIF. Also, check the file size. If it is too large, that is, EA typically has a size restriction for uploaded images. Likewise, if you are using a browser, you can clear the cache and cookies in the browser as well. However, if none of this work, you can try using a different browser and restart your game and console or PC. By this way, you should be able to fix the issue of TeamBuilder logo not loading. If none of the solutions seems to work, reach out to EA support for further assistance. They might be aware of the issue and have specific troubleshooting steps from their end as well. And this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And in case of any queries, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section. Thank you and keep watching.